Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to change your username in the Etsy app. Whether you are rebranding your store or just want a new name, this guide will walk you through the steps. So let's get started. At the very beginning, we must tell you that changing your name cannot be done in the Etsy app itself, but must be changed on their official page. So open your browser and in the search field type Etsy. After opening the homepage in the upper right corner of the screen, look for your profile and click on it. By clicking on your profile, a drop-down menu will open where you will go down to the option, Account Settings, and click on it. The application will open the next page where you will also look for the option, Edit Public Profile in the drop-down menu and click on it. And then go down to your name on the new page and click on the Change or Remove option. The app will open a small window where you can change your first and last name. After you finish filling in the details, just click Save Changes. And that's it. You have successfully changed your username in the Etsy app. Whether you are refreshing your profile or setting up a new identity, it is super easy to do. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.